This is Iconic, an app that helps you find the perfect place for you as well as the perfect roommates. Let's get started by logging in with Facebook. You can see that Iconic will receive my name, profile picture, education, likes, and friends, so let's allow this and continue. The app has autofilled my name, my school, my birthday, my hobbies. Video games is an old hobby, so let's remove it. This screen allows me to set the preferences for my first housing search. Let's set the location, this looks like a good point, and let's set 1 kilometer from this point as the radius to search. I will now adjust the price per room to reflect my range of $500 to $750 per month. I'll set a date range from September 1st to December 31st for this sublet. Now let's find a group of Facebook friends to live with. I'll type the group name as Waterloo Spring. Let's take a look at these people who match our housing preferences. I'll add John Smith to the group, and let's look at Sarah Johnson's profile. Profile looks good, so let's add her to the group as well. Here are a number of listings that match the preferences. Pictures are very large. Now let's take a look at where these listings are on the map. These look to be near my search location, so that's good. Let's go back to the list. Let's filter to find an apartment that suits our needs. So let's filter by number of bedrooms. We have 3 people, so we choose 3 bedrooms. And there's a few other options here, such as rent entire place, included utilities. We're not going to select any of these now, so let's just apply this and continue. Here's a 3-bedroom listing at Icon that looks perfect. Let's save it for later by shortlisting it, and I'll choose Waterloo Spring Shortlist. You can see the stars highlighted there now. Let's click into the listing to see more. We can see by the number of views that this listing is fairly popular. It has nice amenities, included all utilities, and it's fairly close to our selected location. Let's take a look at the seller's profile. Seller looks good. This listing looks great, so I'm going to share it with my group. I said I want to contact the seller to schedule a booking right away so we don't lose this place. You can see there's a pre-filled message, and we'll send it to the seller. Let's tap on the shortlist tab to see the shortlist we have. These are the shortlists for all the groups within the app. Let's take a look at Waterloo Spring. Removing a listing is as simple as a tap on the gold star. This message shows when there's no listings. If we tap the Groups tab, we can see that we're in the group Waterloo Spring. Tapping the Chats tab shows us the private chat for Waterloo Spring as well as the seller chat. Let's filter by group chats and open the Waterloo Spring chat. Here we can see a message indicating a user shortlisted an item. Let's send a message to the group saying we want to contact the seller. I'll now go to the hamburger menu. From here we can edit the profile, update the default search preferences, and sublet my place. Let's sublet my place. I'll start by adding some photos, then we'll add a title, a description, the location. This looks good. And we'll set the number of rooms to 2, the total bedrooms to 5, the number of bathrooms to 5, and it is an ensuite, 1 fridge, in-unit laundry, on-site gym, and co-ed roommates. There are some other options here like utilities, but we'll just go ahead and post this. Here we can see that listing we just created. If we tap the detailed disclosure, we get a list of options such as edit, delete, and archive. Archiving will hide this from search results without deleting it forever.